Jump starting a car is a simple process that requires jumper cables and another vehicle with a charged battery. Here's how to do it safely. 1. Position the cars. Park the car with the good battery close to the dead car, ensuring they don't touch. Turn off both vehicles. 2. Connect the jumper cables. Attach the red clamp to the positive plus symbol terminal of the dead car's battery. Attach the other red clamp to the positive plus symbol terminal of the good battery. Attach the black clamp to the negative minus symbol terminal of the good battery. Attach the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car away from the battery to act as a ground. 3. Start the engines. Start the car with the good battery first, let it run for a minute, then try starting the dead car. If it doesn't start, wait a few more minutes. 4. Remove the cables. Once the dead car starts, remove the cables in reverse order. Black clamp from the grounded metal surface. Black clamp from the good battery. Red clamp from the good battery. Red clamp from the dead battery. 5. Let the engine run. Keep the jump-started car running for at least 20 minutes to charge the battery. Always check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure proper safety precautions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means the world to us and keeps us motivated to bring you more great content. See you in the next one. Personalized thank you.